Hey guys, how are you doing today? We're doing great here. We're actually getting ready to make a chocolate cake. We like chocolate here, so now's a good time, isn't it, Jackson?
Yeah, because last night was my daddy's birthday.
Yeah, so we're making a belated birthday cake. Okay, first we're going to mix our dry ingredients. We've got almond flour. And I will put the recipe in the comments, so don't have to stress over that. We have coconut flour. My little helper here is going to mix everything up. We have our sweetener. Cocoa powder. Now Jackson, mix this really easy here just a second, okay? I have baking powder, baking soda, and salt.
Now mix.
Now mix.
Looks kind of good.
Yeah, looks like you're doing a good job.
Going really easy.
Yeah. So while Jackson is mixing this up, hang on just a second so we don't spill it. I am going to beat our butter and add the eggs.
Mine takes a little bit longer.
Yeah, okay, we've got our eggs and butter mixed. Okay.
I mixed it pretty good.
You did mix it good. We've got to alternate our dry goods
That I mixed.
that Jackson mixed with our buttermilk alternative, which is water, heavy whipping cream, and white vinegar. I'll give you the measurements in a bit. So right now we're just going to mix this.
And then probably add our sweetener.
Well, that's not sweetener, honey. That's vanilla. The sweetener's in here. So back to mixing. Here's our next addition, Jackson.
Adding more of that.
More of that. What is in that?
Sweetener.
And what else?
Don't know.
You know, I don't know why recipes call for mixing in a little bit and then adding liquid and mixing more dry. I don't know. But hey, I'm doing it the way the recipe says.
Yeah, we want to make it just perfect for Daddy.
Dad likes good cake.
So I'm making mine perfect like me.
Alright, thank you. You've done a great job.
I hope Dad likes the way I mixed it.
I'm sure he will.
And I'm telling that was all me. On that
Okay.
mixing batter.
You did everything for Dad. Mom didn't do anything, right?
But you did some.
Well, I'm glad I was able to help you make a cake, Jackson.
Otherwise, that would make the worst cake ever, probably.
Well, you make more of a mess than what this right here is too, wouldn't you? Cocoa. Crazy kid. Okay, Jackson.
I think this cake is warmed up. Now for this
No, in just a second, I am scraping down the bowl to make sure everything that's down in there is mixed up really good.
I'm gonna taste the
And
batter.
it is. Well, let's wait a minute, okay? Now, I have cup sour cream.
Yeah.
And that's going to make it nice and moist.
Oh, and nice and good.
Nice and good.
Chocolate cake though, Mom.
Yes.
Chocolate cake.
It's a chocolate cake. And we're going to add our vanilla.
You make it white.
No, it doesn't make it white. It just adds flavor. So put that back in here. And what do we do now?
Mix.
Mix it again.
It's mixed pretty well.
Okay.
I want to help you.
No, let me spray it. I don't want it sprayed everywhere. We don't want overspray. Otherwise, everything's going to be greasy. We spray our cake pan with non-stick spray. Jackson.
This time I'm gonna help put it in.
You are.
Mm-hmm.
Take out our paddle.
Yep, you need to take out the paddle
Mm-hmm.
so it won't get
So it won't get what?
stuck.
Stuck?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for helping hold this. This looks really good.
I'm gonna eat it all right now.
Well,
But it ain't done.
it's not done. I think Dad probably needs the first bite. What about you?
Yes. And then me, and then Mom, and then Tommy.
I don't know. I think the cameraman's doing the most work.
Is the cameraman doing the most work on this video?
No,
Yeah.
we two. Me and you.
Hey, I'm keeping the camera still.
Okay, boys. Let's not be arguing over who's doing the most work. The main thing is we're working together.
Yes.
Okay.
I want to lick it off.
No, you can't lick it off of that right now. Okay. Let's spread this out to make the cake nice and even. We have our oven preheated to 350.
That's a lot.
Well,
Shouldn't you put
that's-
it at 100?
No, normally you bake a cake on about 350.
It would be so funny if it was on 100.
Yeah. And to make this just a little bit more chocolate, guess what I've got?
My keto chocolates.
Yeah, keto chocolate chips.
That's
So, we are going to sprinkle a few of these on top of here to make it a little extra chocolatey because we all like chocolate.
yes.
Right?
You already told them on the video.
I already told you guys we like chocolate. I guess I boo-booed.
Yes, you made a boo-boo, Mom.
But
That's what it
look
was.
how good that looks. And it hasn't even baked yet. We'll show you the end result in about 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, back up. This is hot. Okay, I don't want you to get burned. You didn't have to get down, honey. You just don't need to get over here. Do not touch the pan. Okay, just came out of a 350 degree oven. Okay guys, it did take longer than 30 minutes. The recipe called for baking it in 2 round pans. Well, as you can see, I don't always follow directions. But it's done. It took about 43 minutes or something like that. I am going to have a little taste test before Bob gets up here. Guys, don't tell him.
Taste test.
Not bad. Not bad. You want one too? It's really hot.
I'll probably have to let mine.
You'll have to let it cool a minute.
Hey, I wanted the chocolate chip one.
Well, I'm sorry. I cut it according. There's cameraman's. Whoops. Blow it and try it. Thumbs up from the cameraman. There you go. Thumbs up from the official taste tester. So, there you go. Who says you can't have sweets whenever you're on a low-carb keto diet? Not me. I make them all the time. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.
Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.